Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today with our Farmer's Table red onions, we'll be making quick pickled onions. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. No matter the size of your pickling jar, create a 50-50 mix of water and pickling vinegar. Add your brine to a saucepan and salt generously. Bring your brine to a boil at high heat. Peel your red onions. Thinly slice. Add a tablespoon of pickling spice to the bottom of the jar. Fill your jar with the sliced onions. When your brine is at a rolling boil, remove from the heat and completely fill your pickling jar. Allow your jar to cool at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. Once your jar is fully cooled, lay down a kitchen towel, place your jar on it, and tap out any remaining air bubbles. Secure the lid and refrigerate for at least 48 hours. When ready to serve, these beautiful and delicious pickled onions are perfect for tacos, burgers, and are a colorful addition to any charcuterie board. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Stay tuned for more Farmer's Table recipes. Until then, keep cooking.